Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to file out Western Union money order. So I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step instruction on how you can easily file out the Western Union money order. So the first thing to do, you have to write the recipient's name. So under the line labeled pay to the order of, write the full name of the person or business you are paying. Then this must match their ID if they plan to cash or deposit the money order. Then the next is to fill your information. So in the from, which is the purchaser or the sender section, write your full name and address. So this help identify you as the buyer, and it's required if the money order is lost or order a refund. Then on the next, you have to add an account number or memo, which is optional. So use the memo or payment for line to note what the payment is for. For example, it can be for rent, invoice number, especially useful when paying bills or making business payment. Then the next is to sign the front if required. So some Western Union money order include a spot that says purchaser signature. So sign here if present, and do not sign the back. That's for the person cashing or depositing it. Then once filled out, detach the receipt stub and keep it safe. The receipt includes the money order number, which you will need to track, cancel or report a lost or stolen money order. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.